Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Soul Group powered by eXp Realty, and today we're in the Rancho El Dorado community in Maricopa, Arizona. We're at this brand new, yes, brand new home built in 2022. Nobody's ever lived here ever. Home. And the address here is 22555 North Diamond Drive in Maricopa, Arizona. Before heading inside, let's go take a look at the community. All right, let's go over the location on this one. First and foremost, shopping. You've got Fry's and Walmart within easy driving distance of the home, as well as if you're hungry, you got your Barro's Pizza, your Freddy's, there's Starbucks, Taco Bell, anything you can imagine for food, it's also within driving distance of here. And you need to fuel up, you got your Circle K's and you got your QTs. As far as where the house is in the community, well, right behind me, right over that fence, that's the house. The park right across the street from it, and check this out. You got the water right here within walking distance without paying the additional $100,000 it would cost to back the water. Win-win. Now let's go back to the house. Okay, we're back at the house. Let's go over the specs on this one. It is 1,941 square feet. It is a single story with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3-car garage. Let's go see how this one splits up. At the front of the home, we have 2 bedrooms and a guest bathroom. Okay, we're in the middle split of the home. Over here, we have the laundry room that's its own independent room, a half bath, and another bedroom that would make a perfect home office, as well as the access to the 3-car garage. Okay, we're at the back of the house. This is the third split of the home. This is where the master bedroom is, tucked at the back, so you got a view of the backyard. The bathroom on this one does have double sinks, as well as one of those very cool snail showers that you walk into, private toilet room, and a huge walk-in closet. We're in this beautiful kitchen. Now, before I go over this, let me go over how this one is set up. It is an open concept, so it overlooks the great room as well as the dining room. The dining room, the way it's designed with the walls, it can be set up as well to be a den. The chef's kitchen on this home is part of the over 30,000 in upgrades that were done to this property. Now, first I want to go over the island on this. The island is typically 4 feet shorter than it is right now. So by doing this larger island, you have plenty of room to put the bar stools and for entertaining. The granite as well was an upgraded granite. It is high above the standard granite that comes in these floor plans. The stove is a 5-burner gas stove. It also has a grill option. The built-in hood above, built-in oven, microwave, as well as the dishwasher. Again, over 30,000 in upgrades, so you don't need to do anything to this property. It is ready to go. One other thing that I wanted to point out on the front of this home is that it is a corner lot, and the garage, it's not a 1-car, it's not a 2-car, it's a 3-car. So if you're looking to have a storage space in there, it's perfect for that. Or if you need to get the ski-doos, the jet skis out of the sun on the trailer, you have plenty of room to back a trailer in there as well. Okay, we're in the backyard. One of the major upgrades that was done back here is the patio. So rather than being the standard 10-foot slab, they added another 10-foot section to it, so it's all covered, gives you plenty of room to entertain under here. The backyard, it is dirt. It is something that the next buyer can use their imagination to put in a pool, a nice little grass area, or just rock it out. If you'd like to schedule a showing on this one, we make it super simple for you. You can call 480-305-6688 or go to our website, gosoulrealty.com. Until next time, bye.